Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we will explore Tonix Pharmaceuticals in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 20th of December, 2024, and we are now here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 19, 2024, our system has designated Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.22. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 275.91% since we first identified Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 12% per day since it was categorized as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a notably wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was breached at 0.542, a level that may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, 0.88 will be the next potential peak level, presenting a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 53.85% over that period, with expected returns ranging from negative 48.84% to positive 36.36%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of negative 5.52% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 94.40% and positive 230.99%. This translates to a price range from 0.0343 to 2.02 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals highlights the significant volatility in the stock price on Friday, which concluded trading at $0.612. On the last trading day, the Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock increased by 7.3%, moving up from $0.570 to $0.612. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether the stock continues to rise or pauses for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 30.87%, with a low of $0.535 and a high of $0.700. The price has risen in 9 out of the last 10 days, boasting an impressive increase of 233.3% over the past 2 weeks. However, keep in mind that trading volume decreased by 436 million shares on the last day, with a total of 263 million shares traded for approximately $160,098,000. It is important to consider that decreasing volume amidst rising prices could indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $2.64, while the lowest price was $0.101. Currently, the price is 76.83%, or $2.03, below the 52-week high, and 93.63%, or $8.99, below the all-time high reached on November 29, 2018, when the price peaked at $9.60. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading under the ticker symbol TNXP, has recently announced that the Food and Drug Administration has accepted its new drug application for TNX-102 SL, which is aimed at addressing fibromyalgia. This development is crucial as it paves the way for potential action from the FDA, with the date for the Prescription Drug User Fee Act expected to be assigned soon, marking a significant step forward in the approval process. The acceptance of this application comes on the heels of two statistically significant Phase 3 studies, which could positively impact investor confidence and stock performance in the near term. In a recent financial update, Tonix shared its results for the third quarter of 2024, which aligns with its ongoing commitment to develop treatments that provide non-narcotic pain relief options for patients suffering from fibromyalgia. This initiative reflects a strong dedication to addressing this widespread condition, potentially enhancing the company's appeal in the market. Furthermore, Tonix's involvement in key investor conferences earlier this month indicates a proactive approach to engaging with the investment community, which could increase visibility and attract greater investor interest, positively influencing stock pricing in the long run. Overall, as Tonix navigates the drug approval landscape, positive developments such as FDA acceptance, clinical trial successes, and active investor relations are likely to foster bullish sentiment among investors, setting the stage for potential appreciation in stock price as the company moves closer to bringing a marketable product to fruition. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital Markets also assigned TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital gave TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, it was reported that Noble Financial assigned TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, it was reported that Craig-Hallum gave TNXP a hold rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The stock of Tonix Pharmaceuticals displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of 0.411 and 0.216. A decline below any of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, and since then the stock has experienced an increase of 83.17%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal observed 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal noted 142 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal reported 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal indicated 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal recorded 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal identified 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 570 cents and 530 cents. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support at 530 cents could result in a significant decrease in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 165 cents between its high and low, which is approximately 30.87%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 117.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of March, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at 570 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of May, 2024, when Treco James executed an insider purchase of 104,621 shares of stock option. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.593, representing a 3% decrease. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Recently, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken the rising trend upward, suggesting an even stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of December, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open at 380 thousandths of a dollar and start trading at 615 thousandths of a dollar. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.